Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to install the PDF creator for SharePoint on an on-premises SharePoint server. So that means from 2013 all the way up to the subscription edition, which I'm showing here. So the principle is almost exactly the same on all of them. First of all, you need to go into Site Contents and see if you have the Site Assets library. If you don't have that, then you go into Site Settings and enable one of the features that include that library. For example, the Wiki homepage one. That does not change your homepage as it says, but it does create the Site Assets library where the source code files are going to be added. Second step is that you go into the Solutions gallery, also in Site Settings. Here under Solutions, then you go to Upload Solution. Find the WSP file that you have downloaded from my website, and then you click open on that one, and then OK. And now it's uploading that, and you need to activate it. Now that's activated. That means that you have another feature in your list of features, and you need to activate that. And that new feature is available on this site and all sub-sites. So there you go. This is the PDF creator for SharePoint, and then you just activate that. And what happens then is that it adds some buttons, and it also adds those two files that I mentioned before in Site Assets here, the ASPX user interface file and the JavaScript file. So that's what's happening there. And now if I go into depths here, you'll see that the PDF file is there, and it will work also in classic SharePoint mode. So up here in the classic mode, there's a PDF button right there, and in modern, it's there in the ribbon. And this concludes the demo on how to install PDF Creator for SharePoint on an on-premises SharePoint site. Thank you for watching this demo.